Hello and welcome to our video on the Agile methodology for software development. In this video, we will be discussing the Agile methodology, its principles, and how it can be used to develop software. Agile methodology is a software development approach that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer satisfaction. It is a response to the traditional waterfall methodology, which is a linear and sequential approach to software development. The Agile methodology is based on the Agile Manifesto, which was created in 2001 by a group of software developers who were frustrated with the limitations of the waterfall methodology. The Agile Manifesto values individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. One of the key principles of the Agile methodology is that software development should be iterative and incremental. This means that software is developed in small, manageable chunks, with each iteration building on the previous one. Another important principle of the Agile methodology is that the development team should work closely with the customer or end user. This ensures that the software being developed meets the needs of the customer and is delivered on time and within budget. In the next segment, we will discuss the Agile methodology in more detail and how it can be used to develop software. Now that we have introduced the Agile methodology, let's dive deeper into its principles and how it can be used in software development. The Agile methodology is based on a set of values and principles that guide the development process. These values and principles include individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. One of the key features of the Agile methodology is the use of sprints. Sprints are short development cycles, typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks, during which the development team works on a specific set of features or functionality. At the end of each sprint, the team delivers a working product increment. Another important aspect of the Agile methodology is the use of user stories. User stories are short, simple descriptions of a feature or functionality from the perspective of the end user. They are used to guide the development process and ensure that the software being developed meets the needs of the customer. The Agile methodology also emphasizes the importance of collaboration and communication within the development team. This includes daily stand-up meetings, where team members discuss their progress and any issues they are facing, as well as regular retrospectives, where the team reflects on their performance and identifies areas for improvement. Overall, the Agile methodology is designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing development teams to respond quickly to changing requirements and deliver high-quality software that meets the needs of the customer. In the next segment, we will discuss the benefits of using the Agile methodology in software development. In this segment, we will discuss the benefits of using the Agile methodology in software development. One of the key benefits of the Agile methodology is that it allows for greater flexibility and adaptability. Because the development process is iterative and incremental, changes can be made quickly and easily in response to changing requirements or feedback from the customer. Another benefit of the Agile methodology is that it promotes collaboration and communication within the development team. This helps to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goals and that any issues or roadblocks are identified and addressed quickly. The Agile methodology also emphasizes the importance of delivering working software early and often. This allows the customer to see progress and provide feedback throughout the development process, which can help to ensure that the final product meets their needs and expectations. In addition, the Agile methodology can help to reduce the risk of project failure. By breaking the development process down into smaller, manageable chunks, the team can identify and address issues early on, before they become major problems. Finally, the Agile methodology can help to improve the quality of the software being developed. By focusing on delivering working software early and often, the team can identify and address any issues or bugs quickly, which can help to ensure that the final product is of high quality. Overall, the Agile methodology offers a number of benefits for software development teams, including greater flexibility, improved collaboration and communication, reduced risk of project failure, and improved software quality. In the next segment, we will discuss some of the challenges of using the Agile methodology and how they can be addressed. While the Agile methodology offers many benefits for software development teams, it is not without its challenges. In this segment, we will discuss some of the challenges of using the Agile methodology and how they can be addressed. One of the biggest challenges of using the Agile methodology is managing scope creep. Because the development process is iterative and incremental, it can be easy for the scope of the project to expand beyond what was originally planned. To address this challenge, it is important to have a clear understanding of the project goals and to prioritize features and functionality based on their importance to the customer. Another challenge of using the Agile methodology is managing team dynamics. Because the Agile methodology emphasizes collaboration and communication, it is important to ensure that everyone on the team is working together effectively. This can be addressed by setting clear expectations for team members, providing regular feedback and coaching, and fostering a culture of trust and respect. A third challenge of using the Agile methodology is managing stakeholder expectations. Because the development process is iterative and incremental, it can be difficult to provide accurate estimates for when features or functionality will be delivered. To address this challenge, it is important to communicate regularly with stakeholders and to provide frequent updates on progress. Finally, a challenge of using the Agile methodology is ensuring that the team has the necessary skills and expertise to deliver high-quality software. This can be addressed by providing training and development opportunities for team members, and by ensuring that the team has access to the tools and resources they need to be successful. In the final segment, we will discuss some best practices for using the Agile methodology in software development. In this final segment, we will discuss some best practices for using the Agile methodology in software development. One best practice is to ensure that the development team is fully committed to the Agile methodology. This means providing training and support for team members and ensuring that everyone understands and embraces the Agile values and principles. Another best practice is to prioritize features and functionality based on their importance to the customer. This helps to ensure that the team is delivering value to the customer early and often, and that the final product meets the needs and expectations. A third best practice is to establish clear communication channels between the development team and stakeholders. This includes regular updates on progress, frequent demos of working software, and open lines of communication for feedback and input. A fourth best practice is to establish a culture of continuous improvement. This means regularly reflecting on the development process and identifying areas for improvement, and then implementing changes to address those areas. Finally, it is important to be flexible and adaptable when using the Agile methodology. This means being open to change and willing to adjust the development process as needed to ensure that the final product meets the needs of the customer. In conclusion, the Agile methodology offers many benefits for software development teams, including greater flexibility, improved collaboration and communication, reduced risk of project failure, and improve software quality. By following best practices and addressing the challenges of using the Agile methodology, development teams can deliver high-quality software that meets the needs of the customer. Thank you for watching our video on the Agile methodology for software development.